Hi, this is Paolo with A-Event Support. In this video, I will show you how to link an interstitial page that captures your leads' phone numbers after they submit their name and email for event registration. Before we start, you might be wondering why you would want to do this. This is because using an interstitial page allows you to increase initial registration rates, capture stronger phone leads, and maintain lead quality. Now that you know why you would want to set up an interstitial page. Before we proceed to setting this up, you need to set up your main registration page first to capture the name and email of your leads. Once this is done, you then need to create a separate page specifically designed for collecting phone numbers. We suggest that you highlight the benefits of providing a phone number on this page, such as receiving VIP updates or special access. Once your interstitial page is set up, you need to link it to your timeline. Open your A-Event timeline, navigate to Registration. Under Fields and to the right of Phone, click the slider to select Interstitial. Now click on Advanced, then click on Add Page Address. You'll see here a field for your interstitial page URL. Paste it here and click on Update at the bottom. Now that that's done, click on the Code section. Click on the Interstitial tab and copy both the header and interstitial form codes to your interstitial page to link it to your timeline. Don't forget to save the changes made on your interstitial page. As best practice, we recommend adding a No Thanks button below your phone submission form and link it to your confirmation page. In addition, we recommend adding this code snippet to ensure proper registrant tracking. That would be all for this video. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.